So Bradley challenged me to a guitar build-off. Solo Music Gear graciously donated 2 kits to us, and we're gonna have a build-off. Good old-fashioned build-off! We've had these kits for a year, and because of my schedule and his schedule, we couldn't get to it, but thought it'd be a great crossover between 2 videos and a good old ass whipping for himself. So he may be prettier, but I think I do much better guitars. Just kidding. Alright, so I actually haven't opened this in a year, and I just wanted to show you guys what we got. We decided to do a standard guitar style. I don't know if I can actually say it, but it's a set neck. This is their headstock. We've got the tuners. The rules are Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's supplies only. So I'm going to leave most of this stock. The neck is nice and straight. We've got a truss rod, plastic nut, set neck. And the reason we went with a standard guitar is because of Clapton's guitar that was painted. I thought this was a great canvas for both of us to show our skill sets in painting. I already have an awesome idea that we'll get to shortly. I think it's a basswood body. I can't tell. Definitely maple, basswood. It's been sealed, and then the sides here aren't sealed. I'd say the curves could be a little bit deeper, but that's all right. It's a multi-piece body. 1, 2, 3. 3-piece off center. The maple is scarf joint, 3-piece, and it'll fit in like so. Hardware is just some basic hardware. Like I said, it's got a primer on it, so what I'll do is I'll sand this down and then hit it with a primer and get it ready. All the hardware is in here. Strings, pots, all that stuff. We're going to donate or do something with these. We haven't figured that out. I think I'm going to put mine up as an auction and donate the winnings to a children's museum or something along those lines. Don't know exactly what we'll do. Maybe I'll donate this to a children's museum or children's hospital. I'm not sure if they'll actually take it, but that's what we'll do. That's the kit. That's all we've got. I actually might have lost the tuners in the year process. We might have to do a different set. So I've got 1, 2, got 4. This fell towards the back of my shelving unit, and I just left it because Brad is too busy. So that's the body. Looks like basswood, maple neck, rosewood fretboard. Nice kit, straight neck. Looks like I'll have to play with the nuts slightly. But Bradley, I accept your challenge. This should be a lot of fun between our 2 channels. I know we've got a ton of crossover. Got a bunch of comments at NAMM on when am I going to respond, and I wanted to enjoy NAMM versus thinking about what to say, and I really don't have to say that much other than